What's up, everybody? We're just doing a little home repair tip. So what I got here is a this is a basically it's a test light. It just tests for power. So all you do is just turn it on. Light comes on. When it turns red, that means you have power. So this right here is the light switch for outside. So if you notice, all right. So I'm gonna hit this switch right here now. You see the power's out, right? All right. So that lets me know I got power there, right? But let me hit, when I touch this, you see it's beeping. So that lets me know I got power. That's a hot wire right there, okay? Now this switch right here, this is for the room that I'm in now. You can see no lights. So either that switch is bad or I don't have power at this switch. So let me see. See, I got power at the switch. So if I got power at the switch and it's not working when I cut it on, that means you got a bad switch. So that means you need to replace the switch. So I went down to Lowe's, got a switch for about $2 or $3, and I'm about to replace it. Now, before you replace this, you got a hot wire. You need to go to your circuit breaker and cut the power off. So before you replace the switch, now to get to it, you just got 4 bolts here. There's 4 bolts, four screws on this plate. Just take them out. They're either Phillips or flatheads. And then you got one up here, one right here. Take those out, and then you got 2 on the side. Now before you take those out, you need to cut the power off. So you need to go find your circuit breaker, and you need to cut the circuit breaker, flip the switch, and make sure there's no power. So when you touch this again, it better not be hot. You make sure you ain't got no power on there before you change out this light switch. Okay? So make sure you cut the power off. Make sure it's not hot before you change out that switch. Otherwise, you're going to shock yourself. All right. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.